My name is Florian Malecki. I'm the CMO here at Arcserve, and Arcserve specializes in data protection solutions.
I'm Shaji John, General Manager of AMPConnect. We are a value-added distributor in the region. Especially, we tied up with Arcserve for Middle East distribution on the data protection and business continuity.
Arcserve is all about unified data resilience. So it's all about data backup and recovery, which is very important. Whether your data are on-premise, off-premise, in the cloud, or in SaaS application like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. And in addition to that, we offer immutable storage solutions that basically protect the data in the event of a ransomware attack, being the backup data or unstructured data that are key to the business.
We have very strong associations starting from network solutions, cybersecurity, data protection and business continuity, IoT, and cybersecurity services, managed services. So our focus is to be more on the value add as a distributor in terms of providing pre-sale support, providing partner support for meeting end customer requirement in terms of demonstration, bringing the awareness to the market in terms of how, especially when the cybersecurity issues, the challenges has been there like ransomware attacks, and data is most critical now, which is a fast growing now, So we build solutions with companies like Arcserve, especially on data resilience. We have very good solutions on a 360 degree with Arcserve in terms of storage protection as well as unified data protection across the application.
Because Arcserve serves, have different sales motions. So we have a partner program, which is a global partner program where, we will serve the MSP community, so the managed service providers, who are basically, buying and consuming our products and solutions on a monthly recurring basis or annual recurring basis. And in addition to that, obviously, as StorageCraft and Arcserve merged last year in March 2021, we have obviously part of the partner program. We have a program that addresses the VAR, the value added resellers, that addresses the mid to enterprise market. Obviously, there's different tiers. Each tier obviously has associated benefits. We do have obviously, technical certification programs that obviously gives more benefits to partners, whether they're being certified or not. And as well, we have criteria around, revenue, different level of revenues, obviously different level of certification, and so on and so forth. That support our business growth in association with our partners, being MSPs or VARs in the region.
The market is very much matured now in terms of cloud acceptance, and all the applications is running from the cloud. Most of the customers across the region, especially Middle East, is having a very good traction towards the cloud. So as a value-added distributor for Arcserve, where Arcserve is having solutions where it can do your SaaS backup, your OSINT 65. So all these things we are doing. A lot of awareness. We did multiple training sessions with the Arcserve team coming in, for our partners to enable them with the technology advantages, what they can leverage on the cloud. Especially we are looking at regionally hosted clouds as a hybrid solution to meet the compliance purpose. So bringing more awareness. So definitely cloud is one of the focus along with Arcserve we are taking up.
As we become more and more digitalized, especially here in the region, there's a lot of digital project happening for quite some years actually. We're generating more data. As you generate more data, you increase your attack surface. So it's very important obviously for organizations, whether being small, large or medium, to have and deploy IT security solutions. However, in the event of a ransomware attacks, and we all know ransomware attacks are still growing, we all know that still many organizations these days from the public sector or the private sector are getting compromised, unfortunately. So, backup, recovery, and immutable storage is critical to any type of organizations to protect the data and make sure that the data is resilient, therefore they can maintain and deliver business continuity. So I would say that's what obviously Arcserve does. And what is important, and that's what we see more and more from our, let's say, customers or prospective customers or channel partners, is the notion, the concept of immutable digital vaults. Organizations understand they need to do the backup. However, if you cannot recover your data, if you cannot recover your backup data, or if your backup data gets compromised, then you're going to be in a very critical situation. So yes, backup is important. Recovery is equally important, but immutable storage to create that immutable digital vault in the event of a ransomware attack or any type of disasters is critical. And that's what the Arcserve does to deliver that unified data resilience platform to our partners and obviously end user customers.
We recently, last few months, we have been working very close with Mr. Florian and his team to bring this awareness more into the market. So to start with, we had an in-house training focusing on UAE and Middle East partners who come in and train with the expertise, like Steve from Arcserve itself directly coming in, who is a technology head, and tapping that potential features. And we have got a very good feedback that, as you mentioned, like we are get to know more features, where there can be a lot of value in terms of data recovery, rather than, as you said, it's not about backup. When you are in trouble, you need that data back to get your business back to your, to your normal state. So this is where really Arcserve is helping it. And of course, we will be looking forward consistently to have that programs for our partners jointly with them. So we'll have more in-house training, or we'll have more on-site trainings, and we do that extended handhold to a partner to get trained. We have demo units on-premise units, and we have cloud demo units. So these are all we are working very closely with them and look forward.